let's cook a quick and easy oven barbecued wings. Now, this is a quick weekday dinner that you can prepare after coming in from work. So, you want to get some wings. I split mine in half. You can leave yours whole if you want to, and I'm going to wash my wings properly. Now, I'm going to start seasoning. I'm going to add some olive oil, some soy sauce, and of course my green seasoning mix. And if you haven't seen how I did this before, I've done a video previously of how I did it. And also some paprika, some oregano, and my all-purpose cool running season, and slap your mama. Yes, I recently got my slap your mama seasoning and I like it so far. It's a staple I'm keeping in my kitchen cupboard. Now I'm going to transfer this over to a baking dish and I'm going to cover and allow to bake for about 45 minutes. Next, I'm going to start mixing up my sauce. I'm going to add some butter and two of my favorite barbecue sauce. You see that Diana sauce? I love it so much. Have you tried this Diana sauce before? And I also added some honey. After 45 minutes, I remove it from the oven, mix it around, and I took off the foil paper cover and I'm going to stick it back in the oven just for it to get a little color for another 10 minutes or so. Put it back in the oven and we'll check on it. Let me know, have you tried barbecue wings before? What have you done differently to yours? Now, after that 10 minutes, I remove it from the oven and now I'm going to add my barbecue sauce of choice. You can choose your different sauces, but I like to combine these two. And I'm going to also brush it on so it gets a nice color. Look at that. I put it back in the oven for another about 10 minutes and this is the results. Listen to that sizzling sound. Look how the chicken is falling off the bone. What would you enjoy these barbecue wings with? I made a side of baked potatoes, roasted potatoes. You can check out the previous video. Thanks again for watching Yashika in the kitchen. Don't forget to follow, like, and share this.